Okay, guys, we are headed up. We are going to Hoover Dam. So let's get going because we ain't got much time, so you ain't gonna see everything. I'll tell you that up front. But we're gonna have fun. Okay, we made it to Hoover Dam, and I can tell you this is a whole thing here. It is an amazing drive. You would absolutely love it, and I could not wait to bring you some views. I wish we had more time to experience the park, well, the area, but we're going to do the best we can in this video and show you what we can. So here is, thus far, some of the views we're seeing now. So our walk, yeah, way over there and that beautiful bridge with the wonderful views. I cannot wait. Let's get started. Okay, being that we parked on the Arizona side, there's two sides to the park where the attraction, I'm gonna call it attraction, I don't think it's a park, but it's two sides. So we're on the Arizona side and we're having to walk over to the Nevada side because that's where everything is. So it's a little bit of a hike, but it's gonna be well worth it. It's downhill now. It's the uphill back that you gotta think about. But it's free parking, see? There's our truck right there.
There's stairs.
And yes, I just saw that. There is stairs. So we don't have to die walking on the road to get up there. But let's finish taking in these amazing views. Looks like there's stairs over here. We can take those down, get there a little bit quicker instead of walking on the outside. And I'm just excited to take you guys with me. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell because you never know where we may end up. Today, we're at Hoover Dam in Nevada. Well, Arizona, but Nevada. Give or take. But anyway, let's finish. Okay, all this is still the walk over there. But it's so cool. It's so amazing. I don't know what that hole is, but something about me wants to go down into it. I can't, but I want to. Look, still got a little ways to go. We're getting there. Just wanted to stop and show you what I see That's far. Being a photographer, I get left a lot because I like to take pictures, but you can't help it. Cars. All right, you guys, here you go. Closer than we were. Not too far. We're going right over yonder. But look at that. I'm thinking that's the power plant down there. The iconic bridge. Okay, now if you're here, you can also take a tour. I know that the Powerhouse tour is closed today, so they have the self-guided tour as well as the exhibit, which you all just saw. So right now we are headed to All Roads Lead to the gift shop. And it looks like that's the way down. They got it nice and covered, so that way it'll pique your interest to go down there. But it's super cool. The view is amazing. But we gotta keep moving. Okay, so let's get the elevator to the visitor center because we're lazy and we just walked quite a long ways.
Going down.
All right. And we got Cedric over here on the controls. Go check out Holsey Travels for his video and his perspective of his travels. Got his rig and everything. So it looks like we're going down. How patriotic is the wall? All right, here we go.
Theater going up.
All right, we are here. Where is here? Oh, as in here, not in entrance. Okay, good. We just took the thing down. Visitor center, there. Oh, I guess we have to go in to there to be able to get through. I am so confused right now. Okay, so when we were looking at the sign, it was for the visitor center coming down, not the self-guided tour. So I don't know if we gotta go back up to walk up the hill or what, so we're gonna figure it out. Okay, so we were in the right place. Here are our tickets, and now we are ready to go. Cedric, lead the way. Oh, we gotta make sure we get a map because we get lost. All right. Can't forget our handy dandy map here. And
in there. Don't miss the second level because that's the observation deck.
okie doke.
So if you take the elevator, it's PL for Plaza or the 49 steps, okay?
Okay, thank you. 49 steps or elevator. Here we go. So apparently we're taking the stairs so we don't look lazy. Almost there. Okay, here in our map, it is telling us about the park where we're going to be headed. Looks like we're headed right over there. All right, here we go. Exhibits and observation overlook. All right, head through the exhibit gallery. I'm gonna apologize in advance for this video being so long, but it's cool. telling you a little bit about the dam and its history and the people who were involved to build or not to build. All right, this one is working the putty. So this is just an exhibit of them pulling together concrete to build, to start building. And then up here, as you can see, is some commentary on what they were talking about in their conversations. This is so cool. This is a little bit more about the building of the dam and how the dam took shape. So if you were thinking about coming here, this is a great little exhibit to do some back history, very informational. And we're not gonna draw this part out. You'll have to come and visit and see. But let's keep moving. Next stop, the Overlook. We're gonna take the elevator this time just because I have knee issues and it's starting to bother me and I don't want it to. So that was very educational. Everywhere you look, there's history about the dam on the walls, everywhere. So enjoy. Next stop, observation deck.
Observation room.
Uh-oh, wrong zone. All right. So it looks like a walkthrough where you can get a closer look of the dam. So up ahead of us is a replica of what we've been looking at with Lake Mead and the dam. And it's just a little walkthrough. Nothing spectacular, with little placards telling you about the wall and its construction, which is awesome. So, let's keep moving.
Welcome to the observation deck overlooking the world-famous Hoover Dam. From here, you get a spectacular panoramic view of Lake Mead, the dam, the Colorado River, and the
Okay, now in the exhibit, it's a 10-minute program, so we are waiting in the lobby with some other people to see it. I hope it's worth it, but we'll see in a minute. Next. All right, diorama, and unfortunately, I will be posting the presentation. It's a little 2-minute video, and that's just way too long. Just have to come and check it out yourself. So, all right, you guys, we can't show you the video because it's 10 minutes long, and it is just way too long for this clip. We're gonna go ahead and sign off and tell you that you just need to come and check it out for yourself. It is awesome views. Our tickets were only $10. You could take the Powerhouse tour, and I think it's $15, but it was closed today, so we didn't get a chance to do that. But what we did get a chance to do was awesome. So we just want to thank you so much for hanging in there with our videos. We know they've been kind of long, but there's so much stuff to see and do. So we want you to see it and experience it with us. So if you haven't already, please go ahead and hit that subscription button. Don't forget that notification bell. You never know where we might end up. And we're going to sign off now until the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the road.
Yes, we saw that.